Now we have an elimination technique that we can use in this simultaneous equation. Of course, you can practice via substitution as well, that's fine. Okay, but today let's use the elimination method. So to use elimination method, make sure that whatever you want to eliminate, so let's say you want to eliminate y. Whatever you want to eliminate, you want to take away y, make sure that the coefficient, the numerical value is the same. So both are 1 here, very nice. Now let's say you want to eliminate x. Then you need to make sure that both are the same numbers here. The 2 and 6 must be the same. So how to make 2 and 6 the same? You just take this first one times 3. Okay, but in this question, it's way easier to eliminate y because it's already 1 and 1 here. Now, what happens when both signs are different, right? So let's say you have one is positive, one is negative. Then please add the two equations up to eliminate. Okay? But if both are same, let's say both are positive, just like the x here. Let's say you already make this to 6. Both are 6. Both are positive, right? If both are positive, what must you do? You must minus the two equations. Okay? If both are negative, then you have to minus. So basically, if it's the same signs, you please minus your equation. Same sign, you minus the equation. Different signs, you have to plus the equations up. Okay? Just like in this case, you want to eliminate y. Right? So both are different signs. One is plus, one is minus. So you have to go and add the two equations up. So you take equation 1 plus equation 2. So this will be 2x plus y plus, you can put a bracket, okay, 6x minus y, and everything will be equals to 18 plus 30. Okay, so 2x plus y plus 6x minus y, everything is equals to 48. Now you've successfully eliminated the y. 2x plus 6x, that is 8x. Is 48, and you can find x very nicely. 48 divided by 8, x is just 6. Super. Now how to find y? You can take this and put it back into any equation that you want to find y. Okay, so let's say you want to substitute this value into equation 1. Alright, so it becomes 2x, 2 times x, 2 times 6, which you just found, plus y equals 18. This is 12 plus y equals 18. And y is 18 minus 12. Y is equals to 6. Therefore, x is equals to 6. Y is also equals to 6. Now, how do we check our answer? Go back to your equations and let's check it out. 2 times 6 plus 6. Is it 18? Yes, it is. 12 plus 6 is 18. 6 times 6 minus 6. 36 minus 6 is 30. So our answer of x is 6 and y is 6 is correct.